Discover the magic of transformation. We're taking your kitchen from this to this is easier than you think and more affordable than you could have ever imagined.
In just a few easy steps, you can create professional quality, beautifully restored cabinetry that you'll be proud of for years to come.
Plus, it doesn't matter if your cabinets are made of wood, laminate, or melamine. Cabinet Transformations lets you create the style you want easily. Wearing gloves, apply a generous amount of deglosser on the scrub pad and thoroughly scour each door for several minutes. Now, do the same for your cabinet frames.
To ensure the best results, apply an even coat. Once the first coat is completely dry, approximately 2 to 3 hours, apply a second coat. Coat the front of the door completely with the glaze using the same process that was used to apply the bond coat.
Use the decorative glazing cloths to wipe off the glaze. Apply an even coat of protective top coat to the cabinet frame.
For the doors and drawer fronts, apply the protective top coat in the same way that you applied the bond coat. After 12 hours, you can reinstall your cabinet drawers, doors, and hardware.